how to create Telegram account with email. So if you want to create Telegram account with email, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply make sure that you have Telegram application and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So open up a Telegram. After opening your Telegram, you need to go with start messaging, which will be on the bottom. Now here, you need to go with your country code, go and select any country code that you're comfortable with, and then enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, it will ask you to enter your email address. But let me tell you one thing, that you can't simply use only the email address to create your Telegram account because you need to have your phone number as well. So first enter your phone number, then go with continue, which will be on the bottom, and then you will receive a code. Then you will be able to add your email address. So unfortunately, you won't be able to create your Telegram account with your email, but you need to have your phone number as well. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.